Good evening and welcome to the first part of my Fiesta MK1 Ghia 1300 Ghia restoration. This is a 1980 registered car and at the moment this is what I've been doing to the engine bay, rubbing down surface rust. Wasn't too bad. And the inside of the bonnet was all flaky surface rust, pretty much like that. But with winter coming on, I thought I'd protect it. I'd probably use a rattle can on this just temporarily till I get everything back as it should be. Radiator fan, I've painted that. The rocker cover needs a good coat of paint, the air filter's falling apart, pipe across filter. Probably put a K&N on there. But that's what I've been doing so far, and I'll be keeping you updated on the other things I'll be doing on the car. Moving into a few vehicle related subjects now on this. And that's it for today. Catch you again soon. Bye for now.